All right, we're going to talk about my favorite thing, actually my most hated thing, are tripods. So another question, common question. Hey, Chandler, what tripod would you recommend? You know what? I freaking hate tripods. Anybody that's been using tripods, there's just it is a love-hate relationship. Tripods are expensive. They vary in a ton of different ways. They're cumbersome. The more sturdy they are, it's hard to travel with them. So really my answer would be, and it sounds very specific or very general, but just get one that's affordable and that's going to do the job on a basic level, because all the bells and whistles typically are never needed. And so get the tripod that's right for the job. And what I mean by that is I just got back from Africa and I didn't bring a tripod. I brought a little crow's foot because I knew that the shot that I wanted to get of these elephants, if I was going to get them, was going to be a low angle. So I'm thinking of what I'm going to be shooting while I'm going to be shooting, and if a tripod is even relevant. And if I needed a tripod, can I use a rock or a bush or something or a top of a vehicle? So, and what that allowed me to do was I could eliminate a whole case checking in a bag. And when you don't have to check a bag, your stress levels are lower. You're not going to lose the shit. The airlines aren't going to lose it. So the tripod answer is so broad and vast, but the reality is that you don't need 90% of what this tripod can do. Is it carbon fiber? That can be nice. The reality is of it, like if you can't carry 2 more pounds on a tripod, and it's astronomically expensive. So I've broken tripods. I've sank them in the Gulf of Mexico. I have some that are like welded shut from salt water. Even this one I've been recently using is a Gitzo. It's a European based, and it goes up 10 feet. I had to get something to really support the phase one. It's a $1,500 all-in tripod with that in the head. And, I got pictures and I've sent warranty and they've been a disaster to work with. The stuff's coming off of my hands, the rubber, it's all falling apart. So, if you really use your tripod, it's going to break. That's the reality of it. So I would say keep it simple. Don't break the bank, and get one until you break it, until you know what next you need, because you don't need all the parts. So just make your life easier. Don't debate over all the specs and details of a tripod, and get what's suitable and what you need now, not what you possibly need a year from now, or what you think you might need all the gadgets, because you don't.